Hello, today I'm going to make a pizza. It's a home-based pizza. You can check it how I will make, and it's Indian type pizza. It's very yummy. I tried it many times at home, so today I'm making this video just for you all. Please check it. And first I am adding 1 glass of water, warm water. In that I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar, not 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt, and you can add 1 spoon of butter or oil, but I mostly use butter only, so it will be more fluffy. I'm using hepe. It's called in India is yeast, dry yeast. I'm using, it's also 7 gram of yeast I'm using in this for this, so I can make 2 pizza in this with this content. Mix it well. Keep aside for 5 to 10 minutes so that this yeast will get activated. Check my yeast is activated. So now I am doing further process for the pizza. Like now I will add this all-purpose flour to make a pizza. Add accordingly how much you want in this water, this much of water. With this you can make large size pizza 1 or medium size pizza 2. This dough is ready to make a pizza, so we will keep aside for half an hour. So we will do now. You can check my dough becomes the size of the dough, so it's half an hour completed. You can keep more than this or below also this. If you can see this size is double, then you can use it the dough. Making only 1 pizza, so you can check. I'm using this breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can take that toast and make a powder for that, so that it will get easy. I'm making large size pizza. I use breadcrumbs because it's a little bit crunchy, so it tastes good for me. If you want, you can add it or else leave it. I shifted my pizza to this. You can check. I'm using this fork to make a little bit stuff so that it will not get more fluffy. Now I will add some sauces. This is the pasta sauce. Mostly I use homemade pizza sauce, but this time I can't able to make, so I'm using pasta sauce. Little bit of ketchup because my daughter loves ketchup more. I'm adding here only, so we will not take more. And I'm using this mayonnaise for this. Yeah, I will mix it all and I will spread all over my pizza. This mixture I spread it all that one all over my pizza. Now I'm adding some cheese to this pizza. What cheese you want, you can add. We love more cheese, so I am adding more cheese to this. Without cheese, obviously pizza will not taste good. You can see now my cheese is spread all over my pizza. Now I'm adding some toppings. As of now I don't have much toppings, so I have a little bit of this capsicum, onion, whatever you have you can add it. If you love non-veg also chicken, you can add it all over the pizza. Or in veggies, mostly we use this sweet corn pizza, but I added all the capsicum and onion to my pizza. Now I'm adding some toppings. This chili flakes, little bit of chili flakes. Now I'm adding this oregano to this pizza. Now I'm adding little bit garlic. And see, now I'm keeping my pizza to my preheated oven. I will keep this one with his 180. I will wait 10 to 20 minutes. No, 10 to 20 minutes. My pizza is ready to eat now. It's baked perfectly. I will show you once I will get out.